Welcome, here I've got VIVO Y70 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera watermark at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we pick this we can open the advanced camera settings. From here let's slide a little bit down, and as you can see here we have the watermark option. So when we tap on this we can pick the time watermark and also the model watermark. By using these buttons we can easily turn them on and off. As you can see we can add just one of this, we can add both at the same time. So for now let me keep this turned on. Let's go back to the camera to take a picture to see the watermarks at it. Now let's move here to the left corner at the bottom. When we pick this button we get quick access to the gallery. This is our photo. As you can see the watermarks are here at the bottom. Let's get closer to it. So from the left we have the VIVO Y70, so the device watermark. From the right we have the timestamp. And this is how it works here. Of course when we don't need this we can easily go back to the camera, then to the settings in the right corner, slide again, pick the watermark and use these buttons to turn it off. Now when we take another picture the watermarks should be not visible at it. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.